So previously we talked about selections, and we talked about using shift, right? Using shift. Let me just get a screencast here so you guys can see things clearly. So basically we're using shift while holding shift, click, click, click. But sometimes if we miss something, okay? So for example, I forgot to click this light, okay? I just holding shift, click, and click. That sounds bad, huh? That sounds bad. So is there like a way to select everything? That's the shortcut A coming. Okay, so I click anywhere else. I want to select everything possible that I can select. Just pressing A, everything selected. Okay, and then double tap A. You need to double press A fairly quickly. If you just tap A and then tap A, it won't work. So quickly tap A twice, deselect everything. Okay, so for example, A. Okay, that way you won't miss anything. You just select everything. Camera, keyboard, light, got all selected. Of course, you can click anywhere else to deselect everything.